Hey everyone, I'm Michael. Welcome back to Bright English Hub 68. Have you ever met someone and suddenly thought, oh no, how do I talk about myself in English? Laughs. Don't worry, it happens to everyone. Maybe someone asks, tell me about yourself, and your mind goes blank. Today, we will learn something very important: how to talk about yourself in English. This skill can change your life, because when you can talk about yourself, you can make friends, pass interviews, and build confidence. So stay with me till the end. And if you want to improve your English every day, like, subscribe, and comment on Bright English Hub 68. Let's begin. First, when someone asks about you, keep it simple. Many learners think they need difficult words. No. Simple English is strong. For example, my name is Ethan. I am 24 years old. I live in New York. I am a student. Easy, right? That's enough to start. Now, let's break it into parts. First, basic introduction. Ask yourself, what is my name? Where am I from? What do I do? Example, my name is Emma. I'm from Los Angeles. I work in a bookstore. Simple and natural. Second, talk about your hobbies. People love hobbies. Example, I enjoy reading books. Love playing basketball. I like watching movies. This makes you interesting. Imagine, hi, I'm Michael. I love football. Boom. Now you have a topic. Third, talk about your dreams. Example, my dream is to become a doctor. I want to travel around the world. Dreams. Show your personality. Even Cristiano Ronaldo had big dreams when he was young. And Oprah Winfrey believed in herself before becoming successful. So your dreams matter. Now, let me tell you a short story. A young boy named Daniel from Chicago went for his first interview. The manager asked, tell me about yourself. Daniel got nervous. He said, myself, Daniel, I am belong from Chicago. Laughs. It sounded funny, but mistakes are normal. The next day, Daniel practiced. He learned this. My name is Daniel. I am from Chicago. I have finished my studies, and I am next interview. He spoke confidently, and guess what? He got the job. That's the power of practice. Here is a simple formula. Name plus city plus job, study plus hobby plus dream. Example, hello, my name is Olivia. I am from California. I am a college student. I love cooking and learning English. My dream is to become a chef. Easy. Now, here's a question. What if your English is weak? Answer, speak anyway. Don't wait for perfect English, because perfect English comes after practice. Even Jack Ma struggled with English at first, but he kept learning, and now the world knows him. Midway reminder. If you're enjoying this podcast, like, subscribe, and comment. How do you introduce yourself in English? I'd love to read it. Now practice with me. My name is underscore. I am from underscore. I live in underscore. I work as a underscore. My hobbies are underscore. My dream is to underscore. Great. Practice this in front of a mirror. Yes, it feels funny. Sometimes you may look at yourself and laugh. Laughs. But it works. Talking to yourself builds confidence. And confidence is everything. Remember, do not compare yourself to others. Your English journey is your own journey. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slowly. That's okay. The important thing is to keep going. One sentence every day can make you fluent. Success is small steps every day. Before I go, here's your challenge. Today, record your self-introduction in English. Listen to it. Find mistakes. Improve it. Repeat. This habit can change your English. And remember, your voice matters. Your story matters. Your English does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be spoken. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep believing. One day, you will surprise yourself. Thank you for listening to Bright English Hub 68. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And comment below. What is your dream? See you in the next episode. Until then, keep shining, keep speaking, and keep growing.